morning. We have come to a place called the Garden of Dreams. It is very close to the Arambol beach and it's beautiful. It is a very beautiful restaurant. One of the best restaurants on the aspect of including nature in their ambience. It's very beautiful. I'll take you around the restaurant. The time right now is 10 a.m. It opens at 9:30. So we took a right decision of coming early because kind of everything we can see how the work happens behind the scenes. They are setting some of the furniture, they're cleaning it, how they're handling it with so delicacy. Thank you. There's a fun fact about this cafe. This cafe is 90% vegan. So we ordered like stuff like vegan BLT, which is made of lettuce and tomatoes and something. There's one more part of it. We are done with breakfast and now we are going to the Arambol beach. And I think I'm going to do some water sports and some swimming. At least I'll try to do that. Well, so we are leaving Arambol beach. It was quite a bummer. Even though the people were kind of limited, the beach was clean and it seems the food and sitting arrangement was also very vast, but there are no water sports. I think there's only surfing here. We decided to come back to our Airbnb because we will be going to Vagator beach now, and Siloam is kind of in between Arambol and Vagator. So it kind of made sense for us to come back, take a break. Now we are changed and now we are going to Vagator beach, hopefully to do some water sports and have some lunch. Basically a good time. So here we are. Funny thing, we are back to Anjuna beach. We are here mainly to have lunch, maybe at a shack or one of the restaurants along the beach. So right now we are sitting at, I think, Aura Beach Cafe on the Anjuna beach. Look at the view, it's awesome.